Savage.
It's Jay White Savage.
And me.
And Johnny LDW.
Whoa,
You saw Water Explosion Part 1 last time. Well, now we're going to be doing Water Explosion Part 2. It's with a golden balloon. And
let's do this.
And as you guys saw last time,
Hold on.
Johnny LDW was the one doing the...
Take the camera, take the wet camera.
Was the one exploding it last time. Well, now I'm going to be exploding it with these mustache scissors. Okay? I mean, guy...
I didn't mean to do that.
I'm glad I was over here. He meant to do that, as you heard him say, right? He also meant to do that. He also meant to do that.
And baby sturdy, go.
So, guys, it was a beauty last time.
Look at it, you can actually see it filling up this time.
It was a beauty last time. This balloon is hollow, and this balloon is completely destroyed. Okay, so, it's golden now. It's gonna be awesome. And, yeah, we're going to Disneyland tomorrow. We're going to Disneyland tomorrow, so it's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Anyway, leave a like and comment. And yeah, it'll be awesome. Man, this is Armageddon. Last time it was Armageddon. Yeah, so
Turn it off.
thank you for my beautiful subscribers. Look at this beauty. Ow.
It'll be okay. Alright, so
Look at this beauty. As you can see, there's water on my arm.
so guys, look at this big.
Look at this big fat beauty throw.
Do not throw it at me.
I was gonna throw it at the balloon.
So
Can I cut it?
let's have some moments with this. How much water this is gonna be? 3,
2, 1. Wait, no, the nostrils right there. You gotta put it in.
Oh yeah, 3.
1.
Give me that.
No, I'm gonna cut. I gotta cut it. I get to cut it.
Okay.
Remember?
Can I come here and grab this part? Squeeze it tight no matter what.
I want to cut it.
And then pluck that part with this end sharp part.
All right, go
And then
Go over there.
No, put this part down just in case you let go on accident.
Drop it. Go over there.
Oh god.
Now,
3, hey, 2, hey, 1, hey.
wait for it. Wait for it. I'm gonna stab it.
Drop the base.
Whoa.
Yeah!
I stabbed it.
Yeah, son, look at that. There goes our third beauty.
It better not have gone on my phone. It didn't get on my phone, did it?
Nope. Look at this beautiful baby.
Balloon.
2 balloons down. If you guys want to see the part 3,
No.
subscribe and comment down below.
This is my video, by the way. I'm just kidding. It's our video. Anyway, stay savage, stay ruthless, and stay shiny, and peace out.